This is the kind of life many people truly dream of. To take his wife traveling around the world, a man named Tom spent just $4,000 on an old motorhome that was nearly ready for the scrapyard. Instead of giving up, he devoted an entire year to rebuilding it with his own hands, transforming a broken-down vehicle into a mobile dream home. Tom had loved camping since childhood. With his wife's support, he bought this 1975 motorhome, even though it was much older than himself. Surprisingly, the tires showed little wear, the engine started instantly, and the drive home was smooth with no breakdowns at all. The steering wheel was light and easy to control, so much so that even his wife could drive it comfortably. Only after getting home did they notice peeling paint and corrosion on the front left side. Still, for the price, Tom had no complaints. Stepping inside was another surprise. The kitchen by the entrance immediately caught his wife's attention. Further inside, a well-preserved bathroom, a spacious seating area, and a large overhead bed made them feel like they could move in right away. But reality soon set in. Rotten floors and moldy, hollow walls quickly reminded them that serious renovation was unavoidable. Before any real work could begin, the sofa and dining seats had to be removed to clear space. The first major task was the overhead bed, which would become their sleeping area. The wooden boards were beyond saving, and the internal frame was badly rotted. Tom cut everything out with a jigsaw, while his wife worked on removing the carpet in the aisle. Once cleared, they discovered the outer shell had lost its structural strength, with gaps opening wide. Tom wasn't alarmed. He knew that beyond these visible problems, the window seals had also aged and needed replacement to avoid future safety risks. Together, they rebuilt the front framework using square timber, bonding the joints with adhesive for extra strength. While waiting for it to dry, they continued stripping the interior, removing the fridge, stove cabinets, and even the bathroom partitions. Tom believed the best way to fix problems was to expose them completely. When the floor was removed, they found rusted-through metal underneath. Fortunately, Tom had anticipated this. After treating other areas for rust, he carefully cut new metal sheets to size, glued them in place, reinforced the frame with timber, and sealed everything with OSB boards. With the new floor finished, old wiring had to go as well. Most of it was severely aged and unsafe. Removing the black water tank was more challenging due to its hidden location, but after taking out the toilet, the job was finally done, with the rainy season approaching. Sealing the exterior became urgent. The roof had cracks that were beyond the couple's ability to fix alone, so Tom called in a close friend. Thanks to his expertise, the exterior was sealed in just one morning. The only payment required was a home-cooked barbecue. Once the windows were installed, even hailstorms would no longer be a concern. Around the same time, a new refrigerator arrived, though smaller than the original. It was enough for a week's supplies, and space above it could later be turned into a cabinet. With the structure taking shape, it was time to build the furniture. A true tech enthusiast, Tom designed everything on his computer before starting. Once painted white, the cabinets fit perfectly into their planned positions, even hiding the inverter neatly inside. Then came the wiring. What seemed like simple carpentry skills turned out to include top-level electrical work. From morning until night, Tom wired the entire motorhome. As the camper officially entered its electric era, his wife suggested finishing the remaining furniture. Design was Tom's strong suit, and with her help, they recreated everything exactly as planned. LED light strips were added for convenience at night. After completing the living area cabinets, the sofa frame came next, built precisely from pre-measured boards. Snow began falling outside as Tom sped up his work. Once the kitchen cabinets were finished, he moved straight on to the bathroom. To ensure comfort in winter, thick insulation was packed into partitions before plywood and wall panels were installed. The layout ensured the bathroom and kitchen remained well separated. They allowed themselves short breaks but never pushed too hard. The old ventilation system was beyond repair, so it was removed entirely. Insulation was added, followed by ceiling installation. Finally, the flooring was laid, durable, easy to install, and designed with wood grain finish that perfectly matched the ceiling. Simple, practical, and beautiful, it marked the final step toward life on the road. As the interior came together, the space finally began to feel like home. But for the motorhome to keep roaming freely on the road, the driver's cabin needed just as much care. Tom first removed every trace of rust from the floor, then applied a primer to prevent it from returning. Insulation was laid next, and the worn-out floor mats were replaced with new ones cut to size. Once the seats were reinstalled, everything felt secure, ready for smooth driving with no worries ahead. With the driver's cabin renovation complete, the couple turned their attention to the roof. Years of sun exposure had damaged the outer paint, leaving some areas unprotected. After scraping away the exposed sections, they applied a fresh coat of paint. White was the perfect choice. It helps keep the interior cooler and instantly gives a motorhome a cleaner, more refined look. As each task on the to-do list was completed, it became clear that the life they had always dreamed was getting closer. This progress pushed Tom and his wife to work even harder. Encouraged by the results, Tom decided to bring more color into the interior, painting the walls in vibrant tones. Although the process was time-consuming, the final effect was well worth the effort. While waiting for the paint to dry, they stayed busy. To make the most of the limited space, Tom installed a foldable table on the other side of the living area. It could be used for work or meals and folded away easily when not needed, keeping the walkway clear. After a year of watching and learning, his wife had also become more skilled. She could now complete simple tasks on her own, building drawers with perfect fits, and even crafting cabinet doors with ease. For the kitchen, Tom suggested painting all the cabinet doors blue. Not only would this help hide water stains, but it also added richness and depth to the interior. In the sleeping area, wood grain tiles were added to the wall behind the overhead bed, giving the space a more refined and high-end feel. Next came the appliances. To ensure worry-free living on the road, Tom turned to solar power. 2 large solar panels paired with high-capacity batteries were more than enough to keep everything running. However, repairing the engine compartment of such an old vehicle was a real challenge, and not Tom's specialty. Knowing when to ask for help, he left it to professionals. While the engine was being repaired, Tom focused on interior details, installing sinks, connecting the Blackwater system, and fitting a composting toilet. To handle bathroom moisture, every seam was sealed carefully, a floor drain was installed, and a shower with a curtain was added. A roof vent fan ensured proper ventilation. Once the engine was fully restored, they moved in their daily essentials. Smart color choices made the small space feel surprisingly open. To take comfort even further, they added a sound and video system, turning the living area into a private cinema. After filling the fridge in 1 full year of effort, Tom finally fulfilled his promise. Now, it was time to enjoy their first night in the motorhome and begin a brand new journey together.